All right, here we go. Welcome everybody to the Tuesday evening screencast video coaching call. My name is Lon Naylor. I'll be your host tonight. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's see, let's jump onwards here. Updates to PowerPoint 365. So let's talk about this guy a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and insert a new slide. I just got me a blank slide here. And one of the things, of course, that's nice about PowerPoint 365 is that it constantly updates itself. I love that. So you get new features and functions and stuff like that. That's awesome. What I hate is that there does not seem to be a place anywhere that I can find that gives you something useful as a version history. I mean, you can go to Help and you can say what's new. It shows you a couple of things in any new updates, but it doesn't show you everything, and you can't really go find everything necessarily. One of the things that I thought was kind of interesting was new images. So now when you go to Insert and you go to Pictures, I'm going to choose Stock Images. Okay, and of course it goes out to the Microsoft site, and you can search by whatever keywords and stuff you want in finding stock image content. But a couple of new things here. If we click here on Cutout People, now there's this like really big library of images of people with transparent backgrounds.
Sweet.
That's all well and good and stuff, but the kind of nice thing is that they've also categorized them. Let's look at Ursula here. And the nice part about that is you get a whole bunch of different shots and emotions and poses and positions and all kinds of stuff. So that's kind of new. The same holds true with icons. PowerPoint's had a pretty good selection of icons now for a while, but now it's like really big, and there's a little bit of variety to them. At this point, you would be hard-pressed not to be able to find an icon to suit whatever visual point you're trying to make. So this is really kind of nice. Of course, it's all searchable, and you can sort by category. And then another one called Stickers, which also is kind of neat. So let's just add a couple of guys here. There you go. Handy dandy fun stuff.